Right. The victim PC is on the right. The attacker PC is on the left. I have enabled password protection on Avast so that we can see that the exploit works with that as well. We can see here the installation directory and the antivirus services are running. I could run the exploit locally, but just to show that it can be run remotely as well, let's do that. So I'm going to call the script from the remote machine. What it's doing right now, actually what it did is it copied itself to the victim's PC, and I created a scheduled task that executes it within a minute. When it runs, the script, when it executes locally on the victim's PC, it's going to create a local account with admin rights. It's going to download the auto logon from sysinternals to auto log in that account. And we're configuring the reboot so that it reboots in safe mode. That's going to be the key to everything. The script will also be creating an additional batch file, which will rename the Avast folder along with the Windows Defender, and it will disable the Avast and Windows Defender services as well. As you see, the script is running in the background. The computer is going to be rebooting right now in text mode, in the safe mode. After that is done, the script also creates a PowerShell script. It's a very simple PowerShell script that all it does is it executes the batch file that we just created above. And the PowerShell is configured to output an exe file. So when you run this disable Avast AVXE, it's going to run the batch file that we created up here. I then create a service that starts that disable AV.exe. The service is not going to run, continue running, but it will execute once, and that's all we need to start that batch file. The key thing here is going to be to configure this registry key to allow the service to start in safe mode as well, otherwise it would not run. And after that is done, the computer reboots again after all the safe mode cleanup has occurred. So the following reboot is going to be normal. The script is running right now. There's a brand new account, and here's the restart after it's done. When it comes back up, if everything went according to plan, Avast will not be running because the installation directory is no longer there, and neither will the Windows Defender. And let's go and take a look. And the Avast antivirus is not working. And most likely Windows Defender is not going to work either. And yeah, failed. And that is because in both cases, even though the directories were protected using the antivirus file system drivers, those get disabled on safe boot. And as we can verify, the Avast folder, even though it was protected, it was disabled along with the Windows Defender.